Hello folks, and welcome back to Pinball and Pool Table Restoration. I'm your host, Mr. Kelsey Wants Power Tools himself, Peter Mackin. As you can see here, we have ourselves a 1978 beautiful looking unit here. This puppy probably retails for about $109.95. In fact, if we look over here, Farmington, Minnesota. Beautiful town, bustling city. Anyways, first let's just take a look here. We have a specimen A pool table. Let's see how we're doing down here. Oh, level as can be. Now, I'm going to set it back one more time. Let's give her an honest chance here. Perfect. Now, you might be saying, what in the hell, Peter? We're going to need something like a laser leveler, maybe a bubble leveler. But you know, for this item right here, we're really going to want a Milwaukee bucking chop saw. So please bear with me here. Going to be taking this part of the table right here. Oh. There she is, boys. Now we're going to level her out real nice. Oh yeah, ready? That's it. Right up. But in a moment here, I'm going to be putting my OSHA-approved DOT facial wear and my OSHA-approved Bacardi diet to work. Bye.